Hi, my name is David Saint-Jacques. I'm an astronaut with the Canadian Space Agency. I'm gonna try to answer 10 questions in a minute as fast as I can. You ready? We're going. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? An espresso. What was your favorite subject in school? History. Launch or landing? Launch, no question. Moon or Mars? You know, I'm a romantic. It's the moon. Iqaluit or Houston? Iqaluit. No chance, Houston, sorry. What is your favorite movie? Well, the last one I saw, The Martian. Awesome. If you could meet anyone, living or dead, who would it be? Albert Einstein. What is the best advice you've ever received? To focus on the moment. If you could smuggle one thing into the ISS, what would it be? Some home-cooked meal by my wife. Final question. What is the best thing about your job? Of course, the people I work with.